David Attenborough lives somewhere around here.
Yep, that's me.
What were you doing at 10:15 last night?
Oh, I was doing nature stuff.
Explain this.
These two lions are really going at it. Judging from performance, this is clearly a beta male.
When my wife spots some creepy f*** lying in the long grass with a camera while commentating, without even mentioning that it's cold.
I only do the voiceovers these
The
days.
tabloids would absolutely love to get their hands on these pictures.
All right, keep your voice down. I'm a national treasure. You don't even look that much like a lion. Oh, this is a setup, isn't it? Come on, where are the cameras? Yeah, come on, out you, where are you?
I'm a lion. Look, I've even got this this tail.
Oh yeah.
If you were to make this worth my while, maybe all this could go away.
Keep talking.
Want UFC tickets?
Okay. I think I can swing that with the BBC.
And in your next documentary, I want you to say it's all the man lions that do all the hunting, not the women lions.
That's not technically true.
Okay.
Fine.
We have an understanding.